Hi, it's Nolan from Work Truck West, and today we're showcasing this brand new unit we just recently completed for our local school district. This flat deck is on an F350 gas chassis. It's a regular cab chassis and also an XL spec, so perfect for municipalities and school districts. On the back here, we have this 9-foot aluminum custom flat deck. This has cabinets in the front and this nice flat deck in the back here. Up at the front of the cabinet, we have a fire extinguisher, as well as a full oxy acetylene cabinet. It's vented for all the regulations in BC, as well as has E-tracking on the inside for mounting your bottles. On the deck here, we have this nice fold down side, as well as in the front here, we have this super handy fold down step and a grab handle for easy access into the back of the flat deck. Here in the front of the cabinet, we have the power cord extension reel. This will be plugged into the welder that the customer will be putting into the middle of the service deck there. Under the deck here, we have another toolbox for more storage. And then coming into the back here, we got two more nice steps to get into the back of the deck here, as well as a Class 5 20,000-pound hitch. We also have a vise in the back here for any work that they're doing in the back. Here in the back corner, we have this removable pipe rack to store longer material in the back of the deck. Coming into the passenger side here, we have another under deck box. Here at the back of the cabinet, we have more power cord reels, as well as two more reel holders for your welding reels. Inside the passenger's cabinet here, we have 3 adjustable shelves so the customer can kind of configure it whatever way they want. We appreciate working with the local school district on this truck. And if you're looking for a similar truck to this or any other medium duty trucks, feel free to give us a call.